things are just different. So much have changed. You said you love me, but it's just not the same.
I'm that nigga from Trabass TV. Wagwan everybody. You don't know it pre. As you know, we already in New York. At night time now. Me nah lie. Me have on this because me hide them red. Me did that. Take me medication so me hide them red. But I've been sleeping like 2.5 days now. Every time I wake up at night. Right now at night out of door. And this hour day 2 since me there. Day 3 since me there. Me sleep one whole day yesterday. Cause the caffeine and the red. Guys, me know me tell you say if you try Red Bull and coffee if you stay up. Me not promote that. Don't do it. You know right. Cause me asleep. I don't know when me asleep. Me phone alarm. Me not pay it no mind. It a mash me up. So me done. Me just like you know quick little intro in another vlog before the vlog start. Cause me not have nothing for vlog. Me never vlog nothing the whole of today. I remember me I try drop a vlog every day. But the good thing is, me I get some sleep, you see me? So me not too complain. Cause I guess my body needed the sleep too. You see me? So let's see. You know this week we are sagged up for start shoot for the movie and thing. Tomorrow, me I got the club. So me go carry on with me. Tonight me want try vlog as much. Me go try see as much what me can do tonight. To make sure I have something for watch. Tomorrow when I no wake. And then tomorrow when I no wake, I'm supposed to be at the club. I check up the club and see if everything's good and you know, mad move. And then this week we're gonna start shoot. So I don't know we're on some promotional thing while we're there for the movie, Dinana movie, March 29. If you don't get a ticket, go get it now. New York, Bronx, Queens, New Rochelle. It was a New York era. When we just come out, Trabass first independent showing premiere, as some that call it, showing premiere. You could eat, watch a movie, and just come vibe with the kid, you know? Remember, this is an independent film production thing with me, I do. Over the years, you know, see me I make content. I'm really appreciate the love and support. Everybody who ever pay for something for watch from me or buy something from me in the past, I really do appreciate it. When you see my life I grow and the obstacles that come with, you know, keep on and I go away and I come back off of YouTube. I just really appreciate someone who will motivate me, dog, and I tell me still push on and do what you want to do. This what I do right now is literally a dream. You see me? Me I literally live when me been did want to do as a kid. When me tell you this a real me attack, you see me? So, of course, me not make it go to waste. I have to make full use of this. So, I'm glad when you see me start work back again. I'm glad me start work back again and I get in the vibe for the content. It's not easy, guys. I know someone see some content creator online and think, oh, them a make a bag of money now do nothing. Remember, I come with a bag of things. Apart from just making the money side, it come with a, you lose family, you lose friends, you lose sleep, you lose the love of your life. Just because you want to live your dream. Enough people not going to get it, some people are going to get it. But again, really appreciate everybody who take the time for watch me, support me, and all of that. Thanks for the journey in a life and una part of it for see it. You see me? March 29, dinner a movie. Me I try make it a movie. Something. One marking stone in my life. So hope me can see someone today and hold a vibe and take some pictures and thing. Right now, me supposed to go pick up Bubba. Me supposed to pick him up already, you know. But you know me always late. We're going to go to a diner right now to get some food. Me famous smell. And yeah, if you know, me famous smell. We are going to do some planning, catching up, you know. And me I bring you with me. Cause we're down with the New York old crew. Somebody there at my door. So I go on vlog world, we actually reach a place. This is my first time here. I never been here before. But in a Mount Vernon. It's a buffet. The place. I'm not looking at you. Who said that? The place almost closed. So we're gonna go in right now. You know everybody are gonna look at me like probably what are you doing with this camera? Oh, you're just walking? Okay. Hey guys, look who is it?
I cut my hair. You want a drink?
Yes. Tell them what you want to order first.
I just want water with lemon, please. Okay.
And lemonade. Okay. Good night, guys. So we're here.
Oh,
I finally got my food now. And I'm ready to take it. And I'm about to try.
And you're ready to pray.
And I'm ready to rate it. 1 to 10. 1 to 10.
Good.
I got 2 plates. Everybody else get 1. Oh, it is on face track. So hold on.
Okay. Yeah, me bring me EpiPen. So if me mess up with this shrimp, me have me EpiPen.
This nigga got a bump.
You know, I run put it right.
So they're not giving a fuck. Eat that have 5 second rule.
I'm not eating this. There's a whole bunch left.
Guys, I so hungry I can eat a cow.
That shrimp will fly everywhere.
Anime music I kill the soundtrack.
Be a anime.
Me I eat up the whole of them and I know me not get nothing tonight, you know.
Are that good for?
Strong it up.
Gotta say the thing though.
I know them.
You know.
Black girl, we just at what more fortune cookies them. Let's see what I got. Famous, what you said? Hold on.
It's
Hold on, I got to give you the mic.
It's you will be able to find happiness in your family and relationships. That is perfect, guys.
I think that one was mine.
I feel on this?
Yeah.
Let me take fear then. Exchange.
Thank you.
So they work.
Well, it says, this is for Mel, this is not for me. It said, today you are wiser than usual and also less anxious. Are you feeling less anxious? Here's the mic.
Yes, I am feeling less anxious.
So,
it's true.
come give me here, exchange.
You got read my word.
You know where I like my fortune? I eat like a little piece of other cookie.
It said, don't take yourself too serious. Laughter is medicine. Wow, that's yours.
That's yours.
That's yours. Yours.
That's crazy.
That's yours.
When me
What?
open me laugh a while ago.
Hold on, here's the mic.
Hold on. When I opened my fortune cookie a while ago, I laughed. Literally. It said, don't take yourself too serious. Laughter is medicine.
Give me too much in shortly.
Wait, let me flip around the camera again.
Now what's the plate in us?
How much?
It's not a lot.
You have cash?
What? Who have cash?
Hey, how
My
much?
friends are ballers. They only use cards. They only use cards. Somebody have to drop.
Let me go first.
Oh, you could go first when you're fastest one.
Mel can drop down and be like,
No, boy, you running fastest one. That will have it.
pour me ice cream out your mouth. Pour me ice cream out your mouth. And lie down yourself. And me run and say, let me go to the door and call the cops.
Guys, I'm gonna go first.
No, wait, you stay. Mel,
Where?
thief. Buba and him EpiPen.
No, left it.
So if you ever sell up right now, bump.
You let me know, left it. No, they say for it.
You can't do it yourself.
No, you're tired. Bell down for real?
That girl just run out on us. Call the cops on her. Okay?
You pay one there?
Huh? Don't give me 20 now, me please. She run out on us.
Okay.
Call cops. Wicked girl. Chain up. So guys, we did the dine and dash. We actually pay for our food.
Y'all podcasted?
No?
Oh.
Everyday life.
Yeah? Your picture there in there.
They gonna call the cops on you, you know. This boy want to run away and don't pay. This boy running away and don't want to pay. You boy, come here. You light skinned guy, come here.
You know what?
Mel, your name Mel, your name Michael.
I look good with my hair like this.
Your name Michael.
Y'all hate
Michael.
Girl, me not say nothing.
Michael.
You see how me get to the man and Trabass and
Mel, I go cry tonight, I see her. She go call me a cuss.
no, do nothing.
She go call me a cuss. Both of you good all time this.
Face attract me.
Stab yourself with the EpiPen. With the
You see that sweet, you make a laugh. Say something, let me laugh.
Michael!
Come on, Michael. Yo, no, me not feel cold tonight. How are you going?
So where are we going now?
Me always know you with a shortcut.
Exactly.
Yeah.
I always cut my hair.
First of all, the
Always.
vlog know you as when they used to say the red hair girl, because you used to have it short and red.
Yes, exactly. I had it red, and then I had it sharp.
The boy famous a try make Michael feel good, you know.
Then I had blonde too, shortcut, everything. Every time I had hair.
Yo,
That's all.
boy, I make Michael feel good. Alright, me done, man. Me done. I'm free. I see you. Me done now. Me done.
The boy make people play installer,
Yes,
man.
they probably are.
Famous when you edit it.
That's like how you call me Melanie.
Melanie.
Remember? Melan or whatever.
I'm so sorry, Michael.
Some shit like
Mel,
that.
I'm so sorry. I'm done. I miss my sister, Mel. What you want to do?
You like my hairstyle for real? You don't like it?
Me not like that one day.
Why?
You remember that you always have?
Yes.
Your head get bigger than I something. No,
Nobody end up being like Fear more.
I know my head is big, you know.
So they were represented by a real friend right now, Trabass. In the business with a thing called Dinner and a movie. It's a movie premiere and the 29th of this month. So the earrings people there, when they can come out to the one in Brooklyn, Crown Hill Theatre, you understand, yes, to the DJ days over here, Mr. Grand, Mr. and pass through also. See?
So, Mel.
It's a show me?
Yes.
Oh my gosh. I was pulling my pants.
That show
Goodbye.
smell.
Bye.
Have you a good night.
Have a good night.
You got the sorrel? Mel, you see, if me say if your last name I never stool it, give me a soil.
Thank you.
Zero and get
a
tomorrow.
junkie, no?
Zero and get tomorrow for that.
So, guys, we just come from the
Yeah, so
diner.
me never make you get 100.
We just come from the all you can eat buffet. And we stop refill and get a little drink and thing and that chill.
And I am not drunk.
No, you're not drunk.
Thank you. I'm just tired.
You're tired?
Yeah.
Sure. You want me to walk you up the steps?
Please.
Yo, go up!
Come
Go up! Call me, call your sister them to come get you. Famous that the fuck you go. How the pussy clat is.
Come on, go get your coat, man. Don't get time for this.
We just reach back on the ends. I go drop Booba in crib. And I go over to the hotel right now.
I'm down my crib.
Yeah.
Just say, yeah, I go drop me in my crib.
We there at Booba crib right now. And we both figure a hotel and chill out for the rest of the night. When I don't know content I figure on. Tomorrow gonna be a different day for now, I promise. Me now make sure I come out of the hotel tomorrow anyway. And I go left out early tomorrow. Me and Famous I go to Brooklyn. We go look on the club and show on the club and them thing there, you know, chat with the club owner and them thing there. More want to know just see the whole production of this thing, you see me, and the process of it. You see me? So stay tuned. Tomorrow we have an early trip going to BK Brooklyn and you're coming with us. Yeah. Early.
Forgot
So,
I'm a bit early.
yeah, so hopefully we
I'm
can
up at
wake
12
up
o'clock.
early.
It done gone bad.
12 o'clock now.
Might as well we go 2 o'clock now.
Shit, I have to go wake up early. We're going to tug it out, so on the journey with me. Booba left. This shit I cut my beard. Alright.
Mel
so,
make we go party like while I melt him, I say party over 11 o'clock.
I lie she that tell. Lie, too sure how we go.
Tell her
Big
she
up
get one
Mel.
life here and she
Big up Marlon. When you Mark, what we call her?
Me now say it, you alone she go yet. She now cost me
Mel.
this time. Mel, me no give no trouble. None.
Marlon, big up yourself.
None, me no give none. I didn't say nothing.
Yeah, so guys,
Yo, that do feel nice.
we go on a journey with me. Booba go home. Me still come back with you know. When me guy hotel, me I chat back with you know. So no, big up on yourself. Go and stay tuned. So vlog world, me just reach home. Tired. When can see it in my eye. Me now go drop my vlog today. Well, tomorrow. When I get it the next day. I don't think me have enough footage. But probably I do. But no one can get 2 vlogs in one if me have 2 vlogs, you see me? So while you now watch this, just know our next vlog forward. And I don't know tomorrow I got a club. And thing. What is my for tell you before? I got my bed. Big up on yourself. I'm Auntie.
Things are just different. So much have changed. You said you love me, but it's just not the same.